Hello students, welcome back to KBI Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about some chemicals from common salt like caustic soda and sodium carbonate washing soda. Today we are going to discuss about some more chemicals from common salt like baking soda. This is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. The formula is NaHCO3. Baking soda. Baking soda is obtained from washing soda, sodium carbonate. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through saturated solution of washing soda, sodium bicarbonate is formed. Again, when carbon dioxide gas is passed through saturated solution of sodium carbonate or washing soda, so the sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda is formed. Chemical equation: Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O, because all the salt contains some water. So Na2CO3, this is washing soda, carbon dioxide gas, and this is water. So we get sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. 2 sodium, so 2 NaHCO3. This is baking soda. This you know, carbon dioxide gas, and this is washing soda. After that, we will come to know about the uses of baking soda. So, baking soda is used to make baking powder, which is a mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid. Baking powder is the mixture of baking soda and mild edible acid. Baking soda is mainly used to rise the dough in bakeries for making bread, cakes, etc. When baking soda is heated, that time carbon dioxide gas will release from baking powder, and that will rise the dough. Chemical reaction: NaHCO3 plus hydrogen so CO2 plus H2O plus sodium salt of acid. As you know, I told you that we mix any edible acid in baking soda to form baking powder. So when we heat, that time carbon dioxide gas will be produced, and that acid will form sodium salt, because here it is sodium. So sodium will form the salt with that acid. Uses, so it is use of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda to make baking powder. This produced carbon dioxide gas makes the dough spongy and soft. It is an important ingredient of antacids. The antacid material which is used when we have acidic in our stomach, that is antacid. So sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda is used in antacids. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. You know, fire extinguisher is used to extinguish the fire. There are many types of extinguisher. In soda acid extinguisher, baking soda is used. After that, our next chemical is plaster of Paris. The formula is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. The chemical name of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. On heating gypsum, we form, it loses water, and the molecules of calcium sulfate makes calcium sulfate hemihydrates or plaster of Paris. On heating gypsum, the crystals of calcium sulfate lose its water. Gypsum, this is CaSO4 dot 2H2O. This is the formula of gypsum. When we heat it, it loses its water and form calcium sulfate hemihydrate or plaster of Paris. So chemical equation, CaSO4 dot 2H2O, heat on 373 Kelvin, so it will form CaSO4 dot half H2O, which is plaster of Paris, and the remaining water molecules 3 by 2 H2O will be separate. This is plaster of Paris. Uses of plaster of Paris: it is used to make the molds or cast of toys, pottery, ceramics, etc. It is used in laboratories to seal the gaps of apparatus for covering the wall and ceiling to make designs. You can see in many buildings, POP is used to design the walls and ceilings. For making cast of set to fracture bones, you see the plaster on any part of body when bone is fractured. That time plaster of Paris is used to plaster the bone part to set the bone. After that, bleaching powders. Bleaching powder, you know, the formula is CaOCl2. Bleaching powder. This is also known as calcium oxochloride or calcium hypochlorite also it is known as. So this is formed by the passing chlorine gas through the dry slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide, as you know, slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, COS twice. When we pass chlorine gas through the dry calcium hydroxide, it produces calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder. Chemical equation: calcium hydroxide COS twice plus chlorine. We pass chlorine through it, so calcium oxychloride COCl2, which is bleaching powder, and water molecules will be separated. This is due to the bleaching properties of chlorine. Bleaching property of chlorine makes it bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder: it is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industries, for bleaching wood pulp in paper industry. It is used for bleaching in laundry also. It is an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry. For disinfecting drinking water, if you add bleaching powder in drinking water, it kills the germs and make it good for drinking. That's all. Thank you.